Hi, my name is Subramanian. I live and work in Dubai. I've been using Holistics Financials services for the past 1 year, and I'm happy with their professional approach and their expertise that they come along with. Now, being a finance professional myself, I was not able to focus on building a proper financial plan. And there was always an element of lethargy, procrastination. Never stick to a discipline. Now, once I signed up with Holistics team, they had an elaborate review of my current investments, and then they made suggestions, which plan to shift where, things like that, and then assisted me in making a comprehensive investment suitable to my risk appetite. And they also do a review every 6 months to ensure that there are no setbacks or drawbacks in the plan, and it goes as per the targeted returns that we envisage. So I would definitely recommend people to use holistic services, and I'll also be going ahead and renewing my plan. Thank you so much.